So kamusta? Kumbaga, alam namin na you're into acting, dancing, tapos hosting. Ano pa yung abangan sa'yo after all the projects you've done?
Ako po, right now, I'm working on Someone Someday with Ate Catherine Bernardo and James Reid po.
Ay, kasali ka
At
do.
Mama, yes.
Sa kamusta? Nakapag-work na ba kayo together?
Yes, we've been taping since November.
What can you say about the tandem of the two?
Oh, I love them both together kasi it's refreshing. It's a different approach, and the show is also. I also love like everyone else in the cast. It's so nice to work with them. Sobrang it's so easy. It's easy.
Anong connection mo dun sa character nilang dalawa? If not giving too much pero best friend ba or another?
I guess I'm close to both. Yeah. I think that's
Pero
what it is.
behind the scene, what can you say dun sa dalawa? I mean, especially to Catherine. First time to work with her, right?
Yes, so si Ate Kat, of course, she's one of the people I look up to in the industry, and it's such an honor to be working with her kasi she's Asia's superstar, and I know that a lot of people want to get the chance to work with her, and as well as Ate Maha. Ate Maha, nakakasayaw ko or nakikita ko and that, so it's just nice to be working with Ate Maha naman in acting, and I get to learn so much from her.
May tips ba siyang binibigay sa'yo being a new actress? Parang,
Not really, but we do have a lot of talks in terms of acting. Pero hindi naman po sa tips. It's more like we have deep conversations about it, and that's how I learn from them.
how about James? May communication ba kayo or parang,
Yeah. So
kamusta siya? Is she Aquela or parang may mga chance ba na you do bonding also on the set?
Yes, we do have bondings. And on the set, yeah, we do bond, especially pag tenga ng matagal. Minsan we talk about random stuff, like I ask about his music, and specifically kay James, kay Ate Kat, kasi even on set, minsan pag light yung scenes, we like to talk because also we want the feel to be natural, because yeah, we have to be close. Kailangan makita yung rapport namin.
Tapos about you, napansin namin you're getting, kumbaga, fit now. Anong sikreto mo? Kumbaga, nung nagda-dance ka pa, medyo may laman pa. Pero ngayon, naging fit ka na. Anong sikreto mo?
Right now, I've been focusing on myself, siguro eating properly, and as well as, being mindful of what I eat and working out more. I got into pickleball, so I guess because there's more cardio in it, and also healthy. So yeah, also the gym.
Your Kuya Sanjo is back to showbiz. Are you, willing to kumbaga, makatrabaho siya uli? Kumbaga, being a part ng ibang mga projects niya?
Yeah, of course. I mean, he's also one of the people that I look up to, not just like as an actor, but also as a kuya. So it would be nice to work with him, and nakikita ko his work. He really puts so much heart into what he does. I've seen him behind the scenes. I've seen how he focuses, how he reads his script, how he prepares, and I really do admire that about him. And I have so much respect for actors who really work on their craft.
Kamusta ka being a tita? Your pamangkin with Ria?
Being a tita, I'm obsessed with a baby. Yeah, I super have so much love for Pino. I always sing. I never knew I could love a baby that isn't mine this much pala.
Okay, thank you.